All right, so with Divi, let's say you've designed this layout and you'd like to export it and share it with someone else. Well, you can do it very, very easy with Divi. Now, let me show you how. Over here, all you have to do is to come all the way to the bottom here and click on these two arrows. Give this a name, click on export. And just like that, you have exported this design. Now you can share it, you can sell it, you can do pretty much whatever you want with it. Now, what's even better is you can actually save this in the cloud. Let me show you how. Click on this plus button, come all the way to the top here, and then you can click on import to cloud, choose your file, double click on that, import layout. Now that layout is going to be on the cloud. Whatever website I decide to design, this layout is there for me to download and import onto my brand new website. Secondly, Divi is very easy to use. So if I click here on regular section, I can choose my columns here and then decide what I need to add into my columns. So let's say I want to add a button. So I can just come over here. So I can further customize my button by changing my button text here. If I need to customize the button, I can just click here on design, go to my button. I can change my colors here. Now, let's say I need to change the background of this section. All I have to do is to hover over that particular item, click on the gear icon. Now, let me add a background color. Just like that, I've added my color. Let's say I want to add an image. I can just come over here, click on this plus button, add my background image. Just like that. Now my image is added. Now, let's say I want to add a gradient. Well, you can just come over here to the gradient tab, click on the plus button, and now I can choose my colors for my gradient. So let's say the first one here is this one. The second one here is transparent. Place the gradient above the image. And I can also change the direction. If I need to add some text, I can just click here on this plus button, search for my text module and select it. Now you can see here the color doesn't look great on a dark background. We can click here, make the text white, and now we can read it. We can even add a background to this text. We come over here on content, go to background, and give this a background color. Now, if you want to give this some breathing space so that it's much easier design-wise, come over here to design, go to spacing. So we're going to add a 5% to all the sides. And there we go. Now, let's say you want to give this rounded corners. You can just come over here to border. And you can see how easy it is to work with Divi. This is the second reason why I really like it. Let's move on to the third reason. Okay, so now let's talk about the theme builder. To access the theme builder, you need to come over here to Divi and then click on theme builder. So here you can see I have a global header, I have a global footer. So let's say you want to change the color of your footer. Now, first of all, let's see our color. So if I come all the way down here to the bottom, this is the color that we have. So if I want to change that across my whole website, all I have to do is to click here on this gear icon, go to my settings, background, and I can change my color like that. Save it. We're going to close out of here, save and exit. Now, if I come over here to my site and refresh, notice what happened. My footer here has changed. And this can be applied to the header. It can be applied to the 404 page. It can be applied to your blog. Pretty much you can change anything in the theme builder, and these settings are applied across the whole website. So the fourth reason why I love Divi is its brilliant support. So one way to get support is by coming over here to remote access. So you click here to enable it. So you can give them full admin privileges. And then once you've done that, a token here is created. So you can copy the token here and then you can go to the chat support. So this takes you now to the Elegant Themes website. So when you start your chat here, you can give them your token and they now have full access to your website to help you fix the problem. The second way you can get support is if you purchase Divi using my link in the video description below, you get access to my Divi Jumpstart course. It's a course that teaches you how to get up and running super fast with Divi. This will save you many, many hours of researching and finding out how to make Divi work for you. And finally, we have the marketplace. This is where you can buy products that can extend how Divi works. So this could be child themes, it could be layouts, it could be Divi extensions and so on. So check out the marketplace. They have products which you will definitely need if you're a Divi designer. And don't forget, if you buy Divi using my affiliate link, I will give you access to my Divi Jumpstart course. This is a course that teaches you how to use Divi effectively and design professional looking websites. Until next time, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.